Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollar Mint Old Coin, the channel where small coins reveal big stories. Today we are talking about a European coin that many collectors ignore, but beginners always search online with huge value claims, the Romania 50 Bani coin from 2006. Some people believe this coin is worth millions, but is that true? Is there any rare error? And why do collectors still keep this small modern coin in their collections? Stay with me until the end, because today you will learn real value, history, design secrets, and how to check if your coin has hidden collector demand. Basic information: the 50 Bani coin belongs to Romania's modern currency called the fourth leu, introduced after the big monetary reform in 2005. Main specifications: country, Romania. Year, 2006. Denomination, 50 Bani. Composition: nickel, brass, copper, nickel, zinc. Weight, about 6.1 grams. Diameter, 23.75 millimeters. Shape, round mint, Bucharest mint. Edge, lettered with Romania twice. This coin was produced for circulation, meaning millions were made, so most examples are common. History and background: Romania changed its currency in 2005, removing 4 zeros from the old money system. Before this reform, 10,000 old lei became 1 new leu. The new 50 Bani coin replaced the older high-value banknote and coins, becoming one of the important everyday denominations used in shops and markets. This is why the 2006 coin is part of a historic monetary transition period, and collectors interested in economic history sometimes keep early reform coins. Design details: let's examine the design. Obverse, front, Romania's national coat of arms, country name Romania, year of issue. Reverse, back, large number 50. Word Bani, simple modern design reflecting modern European coinage style. The design is minimalistic but symbolic, showing a modern European nation after economic reform. Real market value: now the most important question, value. Real collector price: low condition coins, about 17 cents. Average condition, about 30 to 70 cents. High-grade uncirculated coins, around $1.45 or slightly more. So if you see online videos claiming millions of dollars, be careful. Most circulated modern coins have low market value unless they have rare mint errors. Proof versions: perfect high-grade condition. Rare errors and collector tips: check your coin for double strike or misprint letters. Off-center strike, missing edge. Inscription proof coin version from special sets. Collectors also search for early reform coins in mint condition, especially sealed rolls or original bank packaging. Why people search huge values? Many viral posts show unrealistic prices, because fake listings try to attract buyers. Clickbait videos exaggerate values. New collectors misunderstand face value coins. But remember, the real worth of a coin comes from rarity, demand, and condition, not internet rumors. So friends, the Romania 50 Bani 2006 coin is not a million-dollar treasure, but it is a beautiful modern European coin with historical significance. If you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you have any Romania coins in your collection? See you in the next video, where we uncover another hidden coin story.